Hi, it's Tim. We just built this beautiful 427 Ford 540 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1965 Cobra kit car. Go over some of the highlights on our engine build here. We started with a brand new block, 4-bolt main block, has all forged steel internals, double roller timing chain, roller lifter camshaft, AFR, cylinder heads, American made. You have the Canton Racing rear sump oil pan, the correct oil pan for the 65 Cobra kit car. Brass freeze plugs installed, oil pressure extension on there for easy oil pressure switch hookup. Fuel pumps on there, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, inline gas filter, all set up. It's red ignition wires with all the wire markers on there. 427 badges on there on the Cobra valve covers with the matching Cobra air cleaner. MSD distributor set in place, MSD ignition coil, aluminum intake manifold, Holley 750 CFM carburetor, throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket. We have the aluminum bell housing on there, correct one for the TKX transmission. We're going to be supplying a TKX transmission. We have the ram clutch in there, all aligned, all set, clutch fork, throwout bearing, ready to go. High torque mini starter on there, PCV valve, ventilation line, heavy duty Russell line, manifold vacuum fittings if are needed are installed, the vacuum tee, electric choke wires on there, the black braided fuel line of the carburetor. It's the correct polished pulley kit for the Cobra kit car, the high mount alternator for frame clearance, 140 amp one wire hookup alternator right there. Heavy duty 8-rib serpentine belt, all aligned, belt tensions adjusted, high flow aluminum water pump, thermostat housings on there, thermostats installed, coolant bypass hoses on there. Every engine is live run and fully tested for over an hour. You'll get a video of your engine running in a stand. You're going to see the manifold vacuum reading, the water temperature, oil pressure cold and hot, all ready to go. Timing will be set. Idle mixer screws will be all set to achieve the best manifold vacuum. We'll set the idle, check for leaks. Everything has gone over. So you'll have total confidence when you put the engine in. It'll be absolutely 100% perfect. So there you have it again, our 427 Ford 540 horsepower engine. Thanks for watching.